When I was 5 years old, life was simple. My parents were first-time homebuyers, and they bought a cozy one-story, two-bedroom, one-bathroom house in a good neighborhood. It had a kitchen with a living room and a family room as well. It was perfect. For them, it was the pride of ownership, a step toward financial stability, and a symbol of the American dream. But for me, I had my own room. That's all a 5-year-old could ask for, right? We were all set. Life was good. But then, like a plot twist in a movie, 1988 came along. Now, 1988 wasn't just the year of Michael Jackson dropping the famous album Bad, with hits like Man in the Mirror and The Way You Make Me Feel. No, 1988 brought something else into my life, my brother. At first, I thought, cool, a built-in playmate, and then it really hit me. Sharing? Excuse me? Sharing like food, my toys, and worst of all, my room? I didn't sign up for this. I was like, Mom and Dad, we have a problem. This arrangement is not sustainable. My parents knew that ultimately this wouldn't work for the long term, but what to do? My parents loved the neighborhood that we were in. They loved the school district that I was attending, and finding a new home would be difficult during the school year, especially with home prices continuing to increase in this neighborhood. The best way to solve this dilemma was a renovation loan. In today's video, we will discuss renovation loans and the types of renovation loans that are available. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel as we begin the journey on exploring all the possibilities with renovation loans. A renovation loan is a type of loan specifically designed to provide funding for homeowners and buyers to make significant improvements or repairs to their property, allowing them to finance remodeling projects such as kitchen upgrades, bathroom renovations, or structural repairs, often by incorporating the cost of the renovations into their existing mortgage. I want you to think of a renovation loan as like being in a bad relationship. Not with a person, but with a house. You don't get mad at it. You help it reach its full potential. You see its flaws and think, we can fix this. The cool thing about the renovation loan is that it allows customers to consolidate the cost of purchasing a property with the cost of the necessary renovations into a single loan with one monthly payment. For homeowners, a renovation loan is not just cleaning your gutters or sealing your doors. No, this loan allows you to do major repairs. Like I said, upgrades or additions to an existing home. And let me tell you, the loan was a game changer for me and my family. It turned our one-story starter home into a two-story masterpiece. Suddenly, I had my room back, and my brother got his own. And we even got a shiny new bathroom, and we didn't even have to share it with Mom and Dad. Life was back to being perfect. Now, renovation loan products have expanded to all various loan programs like FHA, VA, conventional, and USDA. Depending on your loan program and what you're eligible for, these programs can get you access to money to renovate the home. Each loan program has variations. For example, an FHA renovation is known as a 203K. It features a limited and a standard product. The limited 203K will allow up to $75,000 worth of work of renovations with no structural work allowed, where the standard product will allow structural work, and the max renovation is based upon your debt to income on what you qualify for. The conventional product also has two variations as well. One is known as home style, and the other is known as choice renovation. Home style features a 50K max, while choice renovations max is $25,000. USDA has a $35,000 max, while VA has a $50,000 max. Now, all renovations require a contingency reserve included in the bid work in order to ensure all items are addressed. A contingency reserve is the amount of money set aside in the budget to cover unexpected costs during the project. Including this reserve is important for a project because it creates a cushion for costs that could otherwise send the project over budget. Many times, a licensed contractor cannot predict what is behind the wall, and only when a wall is open will he or she see additional items that need to be addressed. That is the reason why we have contingency reserves. I had the chance to speak with a licensed general contractor, Steve Searles, who has had many experiences in renovation projects. Check out the podcast right over there, Building Success, Dante and Steve Searles on staying on schedule and budget in construction. We spent time on the essentials of keeping construction projects on schedule and within budget and tackling unexpected challenges. You will need to work with a licensed contractor who has a license and insurance for that specific village or town that you're looking to purchase in. Some projects, if structural work is required or maximum amount of renovation work is required, contractors will be compensated per draw. Usually a maximum of 5 draws will be allocated. So that means if you have $100,000 worth of renovations, a contractor will be paid $20,000 per draw. A contractor will break down his overall work in 2 phases. For example, the first phase of most construction renovations is demolition, also known as gutting the house, removing everything out of the property. Payout of the first draw starts after the first phase is complete. My parents did their renovation via refinance. Fast forward to my own journey, I bought my first home as a fixer-upper through a silent auction. If you ever bid on a house silently, you know the feeling. It's like waiting for your name to be called, like the movie in Hunger Games. Nerve-wracking to say the least. My wife and I used an FHA 203K renovation loan to transform that house into a beautiful, livable space. What started as an eyesore became a home we could be proud of. Now, my wife, watching way too much HGTV, saw the beauty in this house when I couldn't see it. I learned so much about just the structure of a house, not just the visual. And I began to understand the value of a good roof, solid walls, and a house that was brick. Everything else could be replaced. New toilets, new flooring, new plumbing, and electrical. The down payment was based upon the total of the purchase price plus the rehab work combined. You add those 2 numbers together, and then your minimum down payment in FHA is still 3.5%. So to recap, the renovation product is a tool that lets you buy or refinance a home while rolling the cost of renovation into a single loan. Kitchen upgrades, bathroom remodels, even structural changes, you can do it all. It's like giving your home a makeover, except you don't have to max out your credit cards by doing it. A renovation loan is a great way to take advantage of the market. Whether you are a first-time home buyer, looking to get in a specific neighborhood, or you're a homeowner needing more room, don't be afraid to take on a project of the ugly duckling house and fix it up. Millions of people don't even realize these loans exist. They think they're stuck with what they have, but they're not. It's like finding out you've been walking past a treasure chest every day without realizing it's yours. So here's my challenge to you. Don't let fear or a lack of information hold you back. Maybe it's the loan officer you were working with that didn't know about the product, or maybe it's the algorithm that didn't show you this video until now. But now that you know, we have to do better. I encourage you to share this video with friends and family so that they can see the increased options that there are available for them. Let's dream together. Let's build something extraordinary. Because just like in my story, a little creativity, a little courage, and the right tools can turn any challenge into an opportunity. And as always, have an epic day.